On this video, I'm going to teach you how to get comedy effects, comedy sounds for free and add it to your videos and get more views, make your videos more interesting and also make your video more funny. So a lot of upcoming content creators want to get these sounds and they don't know how to go about it, and some people are charging them to give them this sound. But this video is going to teach you how to get these sounds for free. You don't need to pay anybody, you don't need to do anything, just navigate to where I am going to show you, get these sounds, and I will also teach you how to add it to your video so that your video will be more interesting. Okay, so without much ado, let's go into the video. Okay guys, so to get funny comedy sounds that you can use on your video, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser. So if you are using Chrome, go to your Google Chrome. If you are using Opera Mini or any other browser, you can go to your browser. I use Safari browser. So I'm going to come over to Google. This is Google. So here I'm going to search funny popular Nigerian comedy effects MP3 download. So search it the way it is. So these are the search results that you are going to see. So this is Pinterest. Leave this Pinterest, come down, come to this website, this 6 Niger, open it. So once you open it, allow it to load. Okay, now you scroll down. You are going to scroll down. Okay, now these are all popular Nigerian comedy sound effects. Okay, look at it. This is a photo. Let me play some so that you hear it. Photo. I hope you can hear it. Because I'm recording my screen, I think it will not be very loud. Okay, so these are all of the funny baby laughing. This is running music effect. So these are a lot of them. This person has already documented all this stuff. You're a Mumu man. This is Mumu man sound. This is why are you running sound effects. They have left you behind. There is God though by John. You know, there are a lot of them, a lot, like almost all of them. And this is for free. All you need to do is for you to get this sound from the start, from the beginning here. For you to download these sounds, look at download photo sound effects MP3. Don't click on download MP3 here. If you click on it, they will redirect you to their advertisement and ad that they put to their website. Click on download photo sound effect MP3. Then if you come down, don, that's the sound. Also click on download don sound effect MP3. So this is how you do it. Let me give us a practical example. So I want to download this photo sound effect, this photo. So I'll click on it. See, you say, do you want to download this sound effect? I will say yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on download, and it has been downloaded. This is my download. Let me come to my downloads here. Look at the sound effect that I just downloaded. Look at it here. Let me play it. Photo. Okay, so this is what you will do. Come down again to the next one. Also click on it. Download again. Still come down until you download all of them. Okay, these are a lot of them. And if per adventure there is anyone that you need that is not here, what you are going to do is to come to Google and search what they said in that comedy effect, and there is a website that might have uploaded it for you to download. So don't pay anybody. Download all this stuff. Once you have downloaded all of them, Now the next thing is for you to add this particular effect to your video. So let's go over to my CapCut. Let me show us how to add this effect simply to your CapCut. So this is my CapCut here. I'm going to open it. All right, so this is one of the videos I made last week or 2 days ago, I guess, about niches on Facebook that you can monetize. If you've not watched the video, you can go on and watch it. There are 13 niches that I mentioned in that video that are very, very lucrative, that if you start, you monetize within some months. Okay, so let me try and add this comedy effect to one of these places. Okay, so let's assume that I want to add it here. Okay, this particular place. So what I'm going to do is to click on audio. Look at audio down here. Once I click on audio, you will see sounds. Once I click on sound, come to this folder here. Click on this folder. Click on this folder. Then come to device. Look at device here. Click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you are going to click on select from device. Okay, so these are the, if you watch here, these are the 3 sound effects that I just downloaded. These are them. I don't have music. I use a iPhone music or whatever to play my songs. So these are the sound effect that I have on this new phone. So I'm going to select one. Let's select photo. Okay, let me select this one and open. Okay, so you are going to click on, once you have imported it to your CapCut now, click on this add button here and it will be added. Let me play this sound now. Let's see. On Facebook. You see it? So the next thing you need to do is to maybe increase the volume of this sound effect that you just imported. Mind you that because I am recording my screen, this sound may not play louder. Okay, so let me play here and see. Start today on Facebook. You see it has played. So you can go on any other place that you want to add this sound. Just go ahead and come to your sound, come to your device, select from device. Let me add this don sound. So come down again, it will be added. So click on it and let's play. Let me increase the volume. This video is right. So once you are done editing your video, just go ahead and export it. This is a simple way of doing this. Remember, I bring premium updates here. If you've not subscribed to my channel, do what to subscribe and also follow my page. Okay, till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. You can drop any question in the comment section and I'll be responding to them. Goodbye.